Here's how to quickly and efficiently set up multiple Google Classrooms in a cookie cutter fashion. So let's say, for example, I have a digital tech class which I want to set up, and I have multiple cohorts of this class. So first of all, what I'm going to do is create the class. I'll put in the name of the class. Let's say it's Year 9 Digital Tech and Group 1. That's all I need at this stage. Everything else in there is optional. So now that I've got my group, the way that I can structure out my program is through creating topics. So what I'm going to do is set up my program first using topics, and then I will replicate this class and then set my assignments under this topic. So the topic, we're going to use this topic to structure it in a weekly basis. So I'm simply going to say week 1 for this particular topic, and then I will add week 2. Now you might like to set it as something different. You might like to put in also the name of what you will be looking at during these weeks. Now, the way it's structured here in the topics, I'm going to sort them now into their week. So now we've got week 1, 2, 3, so it's all ordered. So set up your topics, order them, and now that I've got this, I'm going to go back to Classroom and click on the 3-dot menu at the top of this particular class and copy it. This essentially will duplicate it. So now I can create the same class with the same topics for group 2. Okay, so now I've got the 2 classes, group 1 and group 2. I could go on and add group 3, group 4, etc. But for this demonstration, let's just go with this. So I go into my initial group, and now I'm going to add in an assignment or some material. So in this case, I'll just use material. I'll say it's digital tech, so I'm going to say watch cat video. This is obviously not a digital tech thing, but just for the fun of it, let's say cat video. Okay, kitten meowing to attract cats. Okay, so we've got watch cat video, we've got our assignment or our material. Now, what we can do is assign this content to multiple classes. So now I can assign it to all my digital tech classes, and I can select the week that it's going to be in. Then I can also schedule that work to appear at a particular time in a particular week. So to do that, instead of clicking post, I'll click the drop down menu and go to schedule. Now I can set a publish date. So I'll go ahead and set this for the 30th of April. Let's say they have it at 10 a.m. and it's in week 1. I can change the topic if I have different topics for different groups, that's fine. Now obviously with group 2, they are coming in at a different time. So let's say they come in on the Wednesday at 2 p.m. I can select week 1 topic. Now, if you have groups that are all happening at the same time, I'm setting this to a particular time, but there's no reason that I couldn't publish this in the morning on that day, or even at the start of that week. So to make life easier, I could publish them at the beginning of the week. Let's say 29th, we'll publish it at 8 a.m. And then I can copy that to all groups so that by clicking copy settings to all, everyone gets their classwork for the week published at the beginning of the week. And then I just simply click schedule, and that material will be published at that particular time at the beginning of that week for week 1. So now I can go through and add all my material, all my assignments, and simply assign them to my multiple classes and set particular times, or set the one time and the one topic for all. Hope that's been helpful.